Welcome to the French Drain Man channel. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood, and I want to talk about air pruning. What air pruning is when you build your French drain system, yard drain system, with so much ventilation. You have so much inlet, air voids everywhere. Any roots from trees and shrubbery, landscape that try to penetrate your system will simply dry up and fall off if you have enough air. Okay, this is probably the easiest demonstration I've ever done. So we got a couple inches of rain last night. Notice how the high octane and its entire trench, the container representing clay sidewalls in a yard, notice how there's no water. I mean no water in this basin. Pretty impressive. Pretty impressive. This is why we put the pipe at the bottom of the trench. Now, this happens to be the peanut pipe, guys. Check it out. There's your peanut pipe. It doesn't have a lot of aggregate, but it has some. So if you put stone under your French drain pipe, you leave that much water in your trench. Guess what? Trees can sniff that out from 50 feet away. So this thing's on a timer. It's got an expiration date. All right, so let's keep moving. Check this out. So set this one out here. You can see when the water hit a certain level, it ran out of this. But as I keep preaching, do not use inline basins with your French drain. An inline basin is only meant for a yard drain. So go to my video, how to build a yard drain in a French drain, if you want to use inlet basins so that you don't contaminate and jeopardize all that hard work. So look at all the water that's in this clay trench, this basin, this inline basin that these guys want to preach to you that you have to have. Look at all the water in that trench. Guess what? They love you. Why? Because you're going to have to call them when you got to get all those roots removed from your system. You're now on a costly maintenance schedule. And it's just going to slow the system down as more and more roots build up underneath the pipe. There's nothing you can do. All right, everybody, I hope this helped. A lot of people are asking why we put our pipe on the bottom of the trench, on top of the fabric. Man, look at that. What a mess. What a failed experiment. All right, everybody, until that next video.